Let's go to the charge controller installation. Please keep in mind, always connect first the charge controller to batteries and only then the wind generator to the charge controller. On the battery cables, please install a fuse. This is to protect your boat from a fault on the wiring that can lead to a short circuit, and then the boat will have a major fault. Now let's go to the wind generator cables. As you know, the wind generator is an AC wind generator, so you have 3 cables instead of 2. You can connect them on each position that you want on all these 3 plugs for the wind generator. So let's start with the first one. That is the first. And let's go to the second. And as you know, if you wish, you can also connect solar panels to the charge controller up to 300 watt peaks. It's suitable for that. The DC output connections, they should be used for anchor lights or similar, not to connect all your consumers. The consumer should always be connected directly to the batteries. Together with the charge controller, you have also received this plug with a connection for an external switch. If you want a switch for the remote brake of the wind generator.